Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to control OBS from your phone. So the first thing that you'll have to do is basically, once you open your OBS, you'd like to go to Tools here at the top left. Click on it and make sure to click on WebSocket Server Settings. So once you click on it, this page will open or you will find this pop-out. All you need to do, just check the WebSocket server. You can set a password if you want to, set whatever password you want. So as an example, I'm just going to put here password and then click on apply. So here they tell you that they prefer their password. For me, I'm just going to click on yes. I'm going to click on allow to allow this on my PC. Click on apply and you should go and click on OK at the moment. So note that the ports is default is 4455. So keep it like that and click on OK. Now you'll need to get your PC IP address. You can click on Windows R and type basically IP config and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you should find your IP in a CMD open to you. If you didn't find this, you can just go and open CMD and type IP config and hit the enter button, and make sure to get the IP config or basically the IPv4 address. The example will be 192.168.1. something. So then you'll have to install the remote app on your phone. As an example, for me right here, I downloaded the app OBS Blade. For you, you can download other apps like Stream Control, Touch Portal, or even OBS Blade. Install one from the App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever you're using, then go and open it up. Of course, we'll have now to connect our phone to OBS. So here they'll ask you about the version. Make sure to enter the version that you're using. So for me, I'm using this or higher. Click on next. And here, let's just go and click on start. So make sure to allow this. And here, as you can see, make sure to keep the ports as you saw before. You can always go back to OBS to check if it's the same. And here you have 3 ways to connect. You have this way, and you can scan the QR code and WebSockets plugin to connect OBS instantly. And of course, this feature will only works when you are connected to an OBS instance, which is the same network as the phone that you're using. And the last option is the one that we're going to use, is basically using IP address and a password. So just go and enter your IP address and also the password, then click on connect. So once you click on connect, as you can see, you can save the connection. Do you want to save the connection? You can do it later as well. For me, I'm just going to click on yes. Here you can give it a name as example. So I'm just going to do OBS PC, click on save, and here we are. So as an example, at the moment, let me just go and close this, and let me just go and change as an example the scene from, oh, I lost connection here for a second. Let me just go and click on connect. Let me just go and get the password again. Of course, on your PC, as I said, if it's the same network, you can use the QR code option. Let me just show you. So once you are here, you can click on show contact info, click on yes, and here as you can see, you'll be able to see the QR code. You can go to your phone and scan the QR code as an example. And once you scan the QR code, you can go back and you'll be able to find it right there. So from here, as you can see, at the moment, I'm using my phone or my PC. But I'm going to switch scene just in my phone. Here is my mouse at the top right, so I'm not going to scenes, but on my phone, I'm going to click on another scene. And as you can see, it should switch the scene. So as an example, I'm using this scene. Now I'm going back to the other scene, as you can see. So I'm switching scenes just in my phone. I can change the transition between like fade and cut. I can change the transition time. I can choose here to remove everything. So as an example, I will remove everything and you'll just look at a black screen from my phone. So here is the eye icon on my group. You should be able to see it again. Of course, on the phone, as you can see me recording or not live, you're not live, and etc. Here you can find the chats and stuff like that if you're live streaming, if you want to. And yeah, that's how you basically control your OBS from your phone. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.